What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. How you doing? We are here, or I am here, rolling a solo dolo today, but about to hit up Bundy Hill Off-Road Park. So this park is about an hour away from my place. So yeah, wanted to test out the old Project War Machine here. You know, live in the suburbs, so can't really take them out in the streets like that, you know, at least without somebody calling the cops or something, right? So yeah, but take it to Bundy Hill Off-Road Park. So I haven't been here in 2 years, almost 3 years actually, with the old Polaris Sportsman. And yeah, that was a good time. So a little muddy, you know, but it's a good, you know, it's a good place to, you know, scramble around and just putz around, you know. So yeah, for all the subscribers that have stuck with us, we appreciate it. We're trying to hit 3,000 here soon, so if you guys are new to the channel, let's go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we appreciate it very much so. So we will see you guys, or I will see you guys at the park. So let's go. All right, guys, so we made it to the park, and as you guys can see behind me, not a whole lot of people here, but so you can come during the week. So this place is open from Wednesday through Sunday, and it is a private owned park, so it's not just like a ORV trail, so not as many rules. So you can bring your children, I think as young as, don't quote me, but I think as young as like 6 or something, I believe. If they got little quads or something, you want to bring your family here. So really cool place. As you guys can see, you come during the week, you won't get a whole lot of traffic. All right, so 350 acres of just rippage. They are building some stuff here. Looks like they got a motocross track, and they're actually building an ATV track. So really cool option here. And last time I came here, I never noticed this view behind me. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this thing down, get all equipped up, and we're gonna take some rippage, take some ride. We're gonna take a ride here, so we'll see you in a second. Here we go. Woo. Beautiful day. So I'm really trying to decipher how much I like the sport quad life. So I'm still super new, guys. So with this thing, I mean, it's handling great, still getting used to it. Night and day difference than a straight auto. You know, like a utility sport quad or something, obviously, versus a straight on sport quad. But this park is great. It's so much to see, so many different trails that you can go, you know, tracks and everything. But yeah, it's obviously no one here. It's super quiet, and like I said, yeah, no, I'm not doing anything crazy, no crazy riding right now, because I'm really trying to just get the gears, get used to the gears, get used to the feel of the bike, the quad, and that way I can really get used to it. So yeah, so we're gonna just keep rolling, just kind of like I said, we're just venturing kind of, like I said, I haven't been here in a couple of years, 2-3 years. So just trying to get familiar again with the place. So, but yeah, she's looking good. She's out in the dirt finally. So, all right, let's go. I guarantee somebody trying to do that right there. Woo! Not I. Not I. And that concludes our ride on today. Oh, different ride. I can definitely say that. So come to find out that I realized that I absolutely suck at riding sport quads. I'm just kidding, but basically super new. Obviously this is not some crazy ripping through trails and doing wheelies or anything like that, because I got to get better at the bike. I got to get better at the quad, the sport quad. The shifting is different. These trails aren't the smoothest, so it makes it a little more difficult to, you know, be ripping through shifts and everything. But I got it down, you know, packed pretty much. You know, still learning, right? But if you guys are still watching, I appreciate you. If you've watched this long, appreciate you even more. If you're new, subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, thank you. Remember, guys, 3,000 we're trying to get to, and more, obviously. 5, 10, 20, 100. We're trying to continuously grow, so help us out, support us. Different content, off-road. We got the X3. I got the Can-Am X3 Max. Some videos in the past from that. Some mountain biking we do. So we got some more stuff coming. So remember, guys, your next venture is just one step away. We'll see you guys next time, next video.